Hello everyone. Here I have a game for class 1. This game will help them in understanding the concept of tens and ones at a very early stage. To play this game, I have taken few tiles that we use for making patterns. We can even take some beads or some seeds or any small things that are available, and we need few sheets. I have made circles like this on a sheet. So the name of our game is Choose and Group. Children have to come and pick up the glass, whichever glass they would like to take. They have to choose one glass and they'll get one sheet. They have to arrange the things that they have got in groups of tens, and remaining ones they have to keep separately. This we have to make them understand. Here, like I have to put 10 things here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each circle will have 10 items. More than 10 we cannot put in this. If we have more, I have to move to the other circle. But I have only 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I cannot put this inside the circle because a circle should have 10 items only. If it is less than 10, I have to keep it separately in this area. This is for the loose items. So when the children are doing this activity, we have to go and ask questions. As this is class 1, we have to encourage oral communication. We have to ask how many groups of tens they have kept, how many loose items they have, and what is the total they have. They can count in a number of ways. So let them count, because as this is the beginning, they are allowed to count individually. But slowly we have to make them understand that when we keep things in one circle, it is a 110. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No need to add like this. Every time when a group has 10 things, we can say it as 10. If one more group is there, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Like this, we have to teach them to count. If we don't have any things in the classroom, then also we can do this activity very easily. We can ask the children to go out and collect pebbles. Like 5 minutes time we can give them. As many pebbles they can pick, let them pick. And then we have to call them and ask them to sit in a circle. And if we don't have the sheets also, then we can ask them to draw circles on the floor. However, how many pebbles they have collected, let them see, let them group and draw circles. Like if they have 32 pebbles, they have to draw 3 circles, and 2 loose beads they have to keep separately. Once we play this game, children will understand the concept of tens and ones very clearly. Thank you.